Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to treat cough using just 3 ingredients. But before that, I would love you to please subscribe to my channel. Please do hit on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Let's get right into the video. What I have here with me is garlic. Garlic has antifungal property in it. It's used to treat infection, throat and oral thrush. So garlic is very important in this home remedy I'm going to prepare. What I'll be needing again is ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and anti-cancerous property in it. So it's very important for this home remedy. So what I'm having here with me again is honey. Honey increases athletic performance. It also reduces cough and throat irritation. So it's it regulates blood sugar too. So it's very important in this home remedy. So let's get right into the remedy preparation. Okay, what I'll do first is I need my spoon, a tablespoon, but I'm using a teaspoon, but you need a tablespoon for this, or a teaspoon. So I need, okay, so 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay, 1 tablespoon of honey. All right, that's due. I will use my grater. Okay, first I need to get rid of this bag of the garlic. Okay, this one will do since I'm using just 1 tablespoon. Okay, so I'll grate it. Okay, this is what we use to treat cough in my house. My mom is asthmatic, so this is very good for her. Even me, when I have cough, I also have this in my house, but I want to show you how to prepare it. I have a bottle full of this in my kitchen. Whenever I feel that throat irritation or any sign of cough, I will go take 1 full spoon of it. So I also grate my ginger. I'm not going to be needing all of it, but some certain amount of it. Okay. You might use ginger if you like, or you can use only garlic, but in my case I use ginger and garlic. Okay, I guess that will do. Okay, that is enough. Okay, this is it. I'm going to pour it inside a cup of my honey. This is it. All right. Okay. All right, you mix it together. Leave it for a while. I always advise whenever you have to do things like this, you leave it for a while. Don't just take it in a hurry. If you know you want to start using it in the night or in the evening or in the morning, you can mix it at night. If you know you want to start using it at night, you can mix it in the morning, but leave it for some time. If you leave it for some time, it will settle down. If you don't like to swallow the honey, the ginger and this thing, you can filter it. Add a little bit of hot water, a very little warm water or hot water, and filter it out, and take 1 full spoon in the morning, 1 tablespoon in the afternoon, 1 tablespoon at night. You might not be needing all that. You take it once in the morning, you feel a little bit of relief, because that's how I feel when I take it. When I have cough or throat irritation, I'll go to my kitchen, take 1 tablespoon of it, then I'll feel at ease, I'll be okay. So I still have it in my kitchen, as I said earlier. So once you need this, you take, if for a child below 12 years, I'd advise even half a teaspoon. Okay, 12 years can take 1 teaspoon. Below 12, like 6 years, can take half of a teaspoon, or something like this will do. So I also give it to my nephew. My nephew is 8 years. So whenever he has cough, so he will run to me that he need it, and I will give it to him. He's so healthy. So I will just give him 1 full teaspoon of it. Within minutes, he will get himself back. Children play a lot. Whenever he plays a lot, he will start having a normal breathing immediately, because he knows the remedy. He will come straight to me that he needs this home remedy, and I will give to him. Garlic and ginger is very, very important for the body. You can add it to your food, but for cough, this is how to prepare it. Just prepare it, leave it for a while, so that the garlic and the ginger can mix together. If you don't want to swallow the garlic and the ginger, I advise you drain it out and take just the honey, because it has already did some work. Then, if you are comfortable with it, you can just take it this way. I'm going to have a teaspoon of it now. Okay. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you for being patient with me. Okay, that will do.